The QDR is a fun balancing position. It's basically taking most of your weight and putting it through the hip onto the elbow, and then transferring it down into the ground. I will give you a demonstration first. So it looks like this. So the setup is hands are shoulder width apart. You're going to bring the weight when you're in the position into this first knuckle. So yeah, most of the weight's going to go through there. It is a bit of stress on that one wrist because most of the weight goes through that one wrist. The shoulder is going to be depressed or pulled down towards your hip. Your body is going to go into a side arching position, belly button pulled in towards the spine, and the feet are going to be pulled in various directions. So the bottom leg is going to be pulled along with a straight leg, and the top leg is going to be bent and pulled back behind you. So I'll talk you through it. Shoulder width apart with the hands. Bring the weight into that first knuckle. Drop the same side hip down onto the elbow. Push the shoulder towards the hip. Lift into a side bending position. Pull the belly in towards the spine. Reach the bottom leg long and the top leg back behind you. Find that balance point. Hold. Remember to breathe, but not too deep. And then, when you're ready, come back out safely.